Hey guys, welcome to another day in an architect's life, shot vertically because this was meant to be a series of reels, but I shot too many videos that it's also now a vlog. Yeah. I'm going to Pampanga to visit a furniture supplier to inspect a dining table I had them customize for my project L plus K house. I selected a swatch for the cushion and brought this laminate sample for them to copy. This laminate is used on the dining cabinet adjacent to the dining table, so it really has to match. For lunch, we had Aling Lusing's sisig, a specialty in Pampanga. Since we were already in Pampanga, I took this opportunity to do a little cafe hopping. We first went to Urban Garden Cafe Bistro. I've always wanted to go here, I just absolutely adore the design. The coffee was great and the ambience was amazing, and I did some design work there. I'm 100% going back here the next time I go to Pampanga. We then go to Jungle Base Grounds Cafe. I was super excited to see the cafe, especially since I saw it before construction. I ordered a matcha latte and did some more work. At about 5 p.m., we went back to Manila, but my day hasn't ended yet. I go to have dinner with my friends at Ruth's Chris. Most people would go home after a full day out, especially a road trip at that. But this dinner was actually scheduled way before my Pampanga work trip, and I do not like canceling plans I've committed to, and I couldn't move the Pampanga schedule to another day, so some people wonder where I get the energy to do all this. And the answer is hibernation for the next few days. Hope you guys enjoyed that mini vlog, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.